Receiving money on TaskRabbit is a straightforward process that allows you to get paid for the services you provide. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Step 1. Create a TaskRabbit account. To start, you need to sign up for a TaskRabbit account. Visit the TaskRabbit website or download the app and follow the prompts to create your profile. Make sure to provide accurate information and verify your identity. Step 2. Set up your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Complete tasks. After setting up your payment method, begin accepting tasks. As you complete jobs for clients, keep track of the services you provide. Good communication and quality work can lead to positive reviews and repeat business. Step 4. Request payment. Once you finish a task, you can request payment through the TaskRabbit platform. The client will have the option to pay you directly through the app, and you will receive a notification once the payment is processed. Step 5. Withdraw your earnings. After receiving payment, you can withdraw your earnings to your linked bank account or PayPal. Go to the withdrawal section in your account settings, select the amount you wish to transfer, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily receive money for your services on TaskRabbit. Enjoy your experience and happy tasking.